What is up, you guys? That TJ guy back again with another video. Right now it's 50 degrees, it feels like 44, right? And the winds have rose to 17 miles per hour. I did not film this morning, but I'm recording the ride back. But anyways, man, it's so foggy right now, bro. This morning was a pain to ride and this type of weather condition, bro. And I'm even wearing my raincoat right now because I did get a little bit wet. There was some drizzles mixed in the fog this morning. Oh my gosh, the wind is literally rocking me back and forth. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'm not gonna be talking too long during this ride because I gotta lock in and pay attention to my surroundings because visibility is not the best right now. But hopefully you guys can see what's in front of me a little bit better. I know last video I posted, some of you guys were complaining that the angle was too low. The last video I posted was 67-degree ride, fast riding in the city. I posted it just literally today at midnight, basically. As soon as today hit midnight. Today is March 16th, Monday. I thought I wasn't gonna ride today because the forecast had said that it was gonna rain all day, but it wasn't raining much at all today. Like, wouldn't even consider it rain. It was literally a slight drizzle this morning mixed in with the fog. But I forgot my gloves earlier. I left them on my scooter parked up on campus, and I found them still there but all drenched and wet. So now my hands are cold, bro. I am so late behind on videos, bro. I have like 5, I think, that I haven't posted yet. Damn, bro. Why can't we just have perfect all-around tropical weather all year long, bro? Like Florida, for example, bro. Like, come on. When it gets into the 40s, people in Florida start freaking out, thinking that this is what winter feels like. You should see what we had to deal with this winter in New York, bro. Complete bullshit, bro. Don't just stand on the bike lane. Are you stupid? Man, you cannot see that far ahead on the water, bro. I can't even see past the bridge, matter of fact. And it's windy too, bro. Oh, this dead rat is still here in the bike lane. Damn, stupid wind, bro. Yeah, I don't like this, not having any like barriers and forms of protection. What's worse is that my gloves are all moist and wet, bro. Now that I'm heading north though, same direction as the wind is not as bad. what was the point if you were gonna bear? Gotta get in front of this bus here. Always pay attention, y'all. What the hell happened to the road there? Nah, I'm taking the sidewalk, bro. Damn, I was lit. When was the last time I went through here? Thursday, bro. What in the world? What did this road even have? It was perfectly fine. Some roads are worse than this, and they don't even think about repaving them. Shaking my head, bro. Nah, sidewalk definitely better. Oh, they already did the front already. Oh, that was pretty fast. Or am I tripping? Nah, I don't think they destroyed this part. Never mind. Damn, the braking, bro. Love it. I need to clean my what's it called? My brake pads, because they have all this grime and stuff on it, making them audible. Oh, get a room. Ew. Get a room, bro. Ew. Anyways, you guys, this video was pretty short, but it's coming to an end. If there's anyone still watching, the keyword for today's video is fog, F-O-G. Comment that, and first person to comment it gets pen. Once again, like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. Currently at 53 subs out of 1600, which is the goal for the end of the year. But at the rate that we're going, that's definitely gonna be easy to achieve. So just help your brother out, feel me, and continue watching my videos till we get fully monetized. I'm gonna catch you guys next video. I'm trying to be like him, bro. I'm doing all these pull-ups. Right now I can only do like 4 max. Good for him. But anyways, like I said, guys, I'm gonna catch you next video. Peace.